Are you spending hours every week doing repetitive tasks that AI could help you finish in minutes? Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful AI productivity tools that can help you write faster, organize your work, take better notes, research information, create content, and save valuable time. And you don't need to be an AI expert to use them. I'll show you what each tool does, who it's best for, and exactly how you can use it in your daily workflow. Welcome back to AI Simplified. If you're interested in AI tools, productivity, and ways to work smarter, you're in the right place. Let's start with number 10 and work our way to number 1. Number 10 is Grammarly. If you regularly write emails, documents, social media posts, or assignments, Grammarly can help improve your writing. Instead of manually checking every sentence, Grammarly can identify spelling, grammar, clarity, and tone issues while you write. For example, imagine you're writing an important professional email. You can use Grammarly to make the message clearer and more professional before sending it. The biggest productivity benefit is simple: you spend less time editing and more time focusing on what you're actually trying to communicate. Number 9 is Notion AI. Notion is already a popular workspace for notes and project management, and its AI features can make organizing information much faster. Imagine you've just finished a long meeting and have several pages of notes. Instead of manually reading everything again, you can use AI to help summarize the important information. You can turn notes into summaries, identify action items, organize information, and create useful task lists. This is especially useful for students, freelancers, teams, and anyone who manages multiple projects. Number 8 is Canva. If you create presentations, social media graphics, thumbnails, or other visual content, Canva's AI features can speed up the creative process. Instead of starting every design from a blank page, you can describe what you want and use AI-assisted features to generate or improve your design. For YouTube creators, this can be especially useful. You can quickly experiment with different thumbnail ideas, layouts, images, and text. The goal isn't to let AI completely replace your creativity. Use it to create a starting point, then customize the design to match your brand. Number 7 is Perplexity. If research takes up a large part of your day, an AI-powered research assistant can help you get started much faster. Instead of opening dozens of tabs and reading everything from the beginning, you can ask a question and receive a summarized answer with sources to explore. But remember, AI-generated answers can contain mistakes. For important information, always open the sources and verify the facts yourself. A productive research workflow is simple: ask your question, review the summary, check the sources, and then save the useful information in your notes. Number 6 is ChatGPT. This is one of the most flexible AI productivity tools because you can use it for many different tasks. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to organize your day based on your priorities, deadlines, and available time. You can also use it to brainstorm ideas, rewrite emails, summarize information, explain difficult topics, create checklists, and help you plan projects. Here's an important tip: don't just ask AI to make me productive. Give it context. Tell it your goal, your deadline, your experience level, and the format you want. Number 5 is Otter.ai. If you spend a lot of time in meetings, interviews, or discussions, transcription tools can save you from taking notes manually. Instead of trying to write down every word, you can use an AI transcription tool to turn spoken conversations into text. This means you can spend more time participating in the meeting instead of constantly looking down at your notebook. Number 4 is Zapier. This tool is different because its biggest productivity benefit comes from automation. With automation, one action can trigger several other actions automatically. For example, a new customer inquiry could automatically be added to a spreadsheet, trigger a notification, and create a follow-up task. The productivity lesson here is simple: if you perform the same digital task repeatedly, ask yourself whether it can be automated. Number 3 is ClickUp. It's designed for managing projects and tasks, and AI features can help teams turn information into actionable work. For example, you can start with a project goal and break it down into smaller tasks and steps. You can also use AI to summarize project information, help write documents, and organize your workflow. Number 2 is Gamma. If you regularly create presentations, this tool can dramatically speed up the first stage of the process. Instead of starting with a blank slide, give Gamma a topic and let AI help you build the structure. AI can help create an initial presentation structure, including headings, content, and visual layouts. But don't simply publish the first version. Review the content, correct anything inaccurate, add your own ideas, and now we reach number 1. Instead of thinking about one magic AI tool, the most powerful productivity strategy is creating an AI workflow where different tools handle different parts of your work. For example, you could use an AI research tool to gather information, ChatGPT to organize and develop ideas, Notion to manage the project, Canva to create visuals, and automation tools to handle repetitive tasks. Imagine you're creating a YouTube video. You could research the topic, create an outline, write the script, organize your production tasks, design the thumbnail, and automate parts of your publishing workflow. The biggest productivity gain doesn't come from using AI for everything. It comes from identifying the tasks that take the most time and using the right tool for each one. Before you add another AI tool to your workflow, ask yourself 4 questions. What problem am I solving? How often do I do this task? Can AI actually improve it? And will the tools save more time than it takes to learn? Don't make the mistake of collecting dozens of AI tools without using them. More tools don't automatically mean more productivity. Here are 3 simple rules to remember. First, automate repetitive tasks. Second, use AI to create a first draft instead of starting from zero. And third, always review important AI-generated information. AI should help you work faster, but you should remain in control. Check important facts, protect private information, and add your own judgment and creativity. Let's quickly recap our 10 AI productivity tools. Grammarly can help with writing. Notion AI can help organize information. Canva can help with visual content. Perplexity can assist with research. ChatGPT can help with a wide range of tasks. Otter can help with meeting transcription. Zapier can automate workflows. ClickUp can help manage projects. Gamma can help create presentations. And combining these tools into a smart workflow can create even bigger productivity gains. But remember, AI isn't about doing less meaningful work. It's about reducing repetitive work so you can spend more time on the things that require your creativity, judgment, and expertise. If this video helped you discover a new AI productivity tool, hit the like button and subscribe to AI Simplified for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and useful tools. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these AI productivity tools are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching AI Simplified. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and use AI to work smarter. I'll see you in the next video.